Hello everyone. So today is 12th of September, and again tomorrow we have Bank Nifty expiry, the second Bank Nifty expiry on Wednesday. So let's discuss what we have discussed earlier and what we are expecting next. So yesterday we discussed that, like, especially the money flow, which showed that there was a gap which was created and the up move was not supporting. Even we discussed the EOD data. As I said, like, सारे FIIs united नहीं है, कुछ buying कर रहे, some buying calls and some shorting, like writing calls, and so we first had a gap up and then the selling started. Yesterday's line of control, that was 19,930, which I tweeted during the live market hours, that worked perfectly. Like, just go and check the tweets. If you want such live market updates, you can follow me on Twitter. तो ये 19,930 देखिए कि एकदम आया, सपोर्ट लिया और फिर एक बार सपोर्ट लेके ऊपर चला गया. ठीक है. So this is working very well, this level. And coming to the other data, that is the FIIs. So today we had FIIs expiry. So the thing was that here we got the very first move, like we got some spike in the data on the call side, but it did not work out. We took the position, but here selling started and then we had to close. But here the very first trade, so the selling started and we had to close the position at a loss. Okay, so this is the first time the whole of the last week, even Monday, all went correct, like with 100% accuracy. Today I made so 3 option buying positions we took. Out of that, only one went wrong. Okay, this one, the very first one. But yeah, the data was not didn't lie. Later on the spike came. We also took the advantage of it as well, like 1032, again 2250 CE. FIIs bought at 36, which we closed at 48. It went much more, like it went to 60 also. Okay, so 1032, if you see here, so this is the candle, like, sorry, not this one. So here it was, like, almost here at the bottom, 1030 to 1035. So this candle, during this candle we bought, and after that there was a rally up. So yes, I mean, here also data was not lying. What happened was, those who made long positions, they further averaged it out and took market up. But yeah, we didn't take the risk but closed our position. So these things happen in stock market. You can't avoid it, though you will correctly analyze the position of the big guys, but you can't go all the way along with them. Like, they can go very deep, like I mean, where you won't even see any sign of them. Like, you will think that your analysis went wrong. Anyways, the call buying went perfectly fine, and then when market was moving up, we shorted. So then also, like, we shorted puts during that up move. So 20,250 PE shorted at 38.50 and closed at 20.70. Okay, and here also, like, then we shorted. Okay, so 2300 PE bought at 42.70, and then we averaged it out. So the final average price was 30.40 and was able to close it at 46. Okay, and also we shorted CE, so 20,300. So these are all the trades in FIIs. Okay, so here 20,300 CE shorted at 21, which we closed at, like, I closed at 40.80. Okay, so that's the way, like, 3 call buying, 2 put write, 1 call writing and 1 put writing. Okay, so 5 out of 5, 1 went wrong, the call buying one in the morning. So anyways, again, I mean, it's a good ratio, but yes, today I finally made one mistake which I shouldn't have, but kya kare, data points, whatever it was saying, so I had to follow. Like, even if you see, like, even after this red candle there was a sharp jump. So that's what the big guys were doing. Market was very volatile. You can't you know, I mean, you can't oh, okay, sorry, this is FIIs futures. So this is the FIIs here. So almost the same again. Let's go to Bank Nifty. So yeah, tomorrow we have Bank Nifty expiry. So yes, so if you want such live analysis about the big guys positions and wants to track them, so this is the same Telegram guys, So you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group where you'll get access to the money flow indicators. So here the money flow indicator score went down and also after that started recovering, which showed that further fall might not be possible. Even for Bank Nifty as well, we have here, that is Bank Nifty score also started increasing from that point onwards, and again showed that further fall might not be possible. So coming to Bank Nifty, so Fin Nifty is done discussed. So coming to Bank Nifty का भी yesterday video I clearly mentioned 45,775. आज उधर open हुआ और फिर selling. So that's what I mentioned. कल का video जाके देख लीजिए. And these levels, so 45,466. Okay, so this level. I today tweeted it. So this was the line of control for today. Yesterday's line of control was 45,310. You see beautifully it worked. Bank Nifty came down there and then took support and went up and concentrated around the level, the line of control of today. So these are working fine. Again, so for live updates, you can follow me on Twitter. For Nifty also, yesterday I mentioned this. Even today's line of control was this. So it took support and beautifully worked out. And yeah, so talking about the other data points, FIIs have sold, but again, do not consider that as selling, because even if you see in the volume, so selling is buying is being done, but some big guys are also selling along with them. Okay, so a mixed signal is coming. So we have to further look into the other data points to be very sure. So coming to the option chain, even yesterday in option chain I said that what the big guys do, जो बड़े लोग होते हैं 100 करोड़ है तो क्या करे, 20,000 सी शॉर्ट करके बैठ जाओ. So they just short some levels which they think that might not be achievable by this time, and they short it and wait for the market, okay, to close below that level, or anyway so close in profit. So they were there, I clearly mentioned, and then again they had to be given an exit. I clearly mentioned this line yesterday's video. Okay, so again market came below 20,000, but again there is a high chance it's very near to 20,000, so there is a high chance again it can go up, but we should analyze what the fresh positions are saying. But still the call writers are present there. Some have closed, but still the call writers are present there. Talking about the put writing position, you see the deep in the money put writers are closing, so that's not a very good sign. And talking about Bank Nifty, so even in Bank Nifty also, if you notice here, that is on the put side. Okay, so put side change in OI is negative. That is not a good sign for the bulls. And 45,500 and here, so again call writers are present. So again we can see some resistance tomorrow. So talking about here, let's go to the end of the day data. So end of the day data is suggesting that here, if you notice here, then you will notice that closing happened. Okay, but here if you look at the PropDex data, so one thing you'll notice that they have closed the put writing positions, the huge put writing positions they created yesterday. Okay, but also initiated some put writing position, so that might be in Bank Nifty, and also call writing has been done by them. So you notice that yesterday's call writing has been closed and today's call writing has been initiated. So they have done like a lot of call writing. Okay, talking about buying positions have been closed and some initiated, even if you see the difference. So those are for hedging. So particularly if PropDex are not particularly like they have bought calls or puts, they have only done some put writing but heavy call writing today. Now coming to the FIIs, what they have done, they are becoming option buyers. मैंने ये पिछले हफ्ते में भी बताया था, ये भी और भी मतलब आज भी बता रहा हूँ कि FIIs have become option buyers. Okay, so just see, like last time also I showed you, and today also I'm showing you the same. Like look at here, that is minus. Okay, so call writing minus, put writing minus. Okay, so that is basically like but here you'll notice that the amount was this. So some positions have been initiated, those Fin Nifty positions closed and some initiated. Okay, but overall not huge writing positions, that you can say. But look at here, Yesterday that huge buying was there, call buying was there, and that put buying was also there. Today also, like, they did put buying as well as call buying. Okay, so they have become like, and they are not united, they have become buyers and option buyers, and market is moving violently on both the sides. Okay, so that's why market, you saw market was too volatile today, and that's what's going to again happen, I think, tomorrow as well. Okay, so coming to the futures data, again I say that futures data, they have time. So it's not that tomorrow we have to get the move. So FIIs are slowly building up their futures long position. So short term we can, like, this month we can see some further rally, but yes, we also have to see the option chain as well. Okay, so talking about this thing, that is put buying has been done by the FIs as well as call buying also been done. So please do stay cautious and trade safely. And yeah, and prop decks, they have done call writing. Okay, so overall prop decks, they put writing positions also. So prop decks are neutral, if you can say, and prop decks in their futures position, they are again initiating their futures long positions and somewhat closing their futures short positions. But as I said, like, the bears, the prop decks who have made those short positions in the futures, they are slowly, very slowly closing. Like, usually what they do is, like, even last to last week it happened, if move goes against them, they suddenly close, but that's not happening this time. They are slowly closing, or almost not closing. So they are still, I think, waiting for some exit or something. And yeah, but again, long positions futures building up. Okay, so if you are a person who trades in futures and can wait, so at some nice dips you can go long, so that would be a very good opportunity. For option buyers, again, you see both the side, they have bought, the big guys, so we have to clearly identify the signals what we are getting in the live market hours and trade accordingly. Okay, otherwise if you want to say what's the final conclusion would be, like, again, same, both the side moves can be there. Okay, so yeah, so if you are not very cautious, you will be blown out. And yeah, again, talking about Bank Nifty's levels, so these I have discussed the important levels here. And if this 45,310 breaks, then 45,000 and 45,100 is the next level of support. And the rest of the levels, I think I mentioned earlier. So I also discussed the option chain. So I think yeah, I've discussed everything. So if my analysis are helping you, so don't forget to put a like. And if you want such live analysis during the market hours, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and please do share it among the other traders. And that's it for this video. Trade safely, and see you in the next one.